Hi, my name's Katie with WTI, and I am so happy that I finally upgraded my blender to this one by Hamilton Beach. Gone are the days of making single serve smoothies where only one of my kids or myself can enjoy, and now I can make up enough at one time for the entire family. This blender has so many great features. What I love the most about it is that it is a glass blender, and I love the sturdiness and the durability of having this glass one. And in addition to the sturdiness, I feel like it can actually truly get clean and sanitized. This blender also has a really convenient heat vent so that if you're blending something like a soup, or you're even just rinsing it out and washing it with hot water and you use the cleaning feature, you don't have to worry about an explosion because of that bent up steam. I've been there, I've done it. It is a huge mess. It's very easy to use. It's a simple push button. This blender also has 2 pulse options, which makes it great for not just smoothies, but also things like salsa that you might want only chopped or diced instead of pureed. All in all, this Hamilton Beach blender has been a great appliance to have in my kitchen, and we use it almost daily. And that's just my point of view.